It's a choose to be a doer, stay action orientated. A couple of years back ngisanda kuqala emsebenzini ngabizwa nje insizwa yomlungu yayisikhulile yathi kumina ngifuna wazi ukuthi njengoba usufikela emsebenzini you'll always find 3 people wherever you go. There are people who make things happen. There are people who watch others make things happen. And then you will find those who will wake up not knowing what happened, you know. Namhlanje ngifuna ukubuza umlaleli, which one are you, you know? Uma sibuka the first one, those guys who make things happen, these are the doers, you know. There's a guy nje manje wase Newcastle mfethu uManqoba, istory sakhe singimpacte kakhulu, ungitexte over the weekend. Ugraduateile is one of the people abagraduateile, kodwa mangithola istory sakhe ngithola ukuthi wafaila 3 times umatric, you know. Ama-doers, they don't focus on their shortcomings. They always find a way ukuthi ngisho ngathiwa izinto zinzima, they do. Uma emsebenzini kuba nama-projects, ama-doers ayavolunteer, they wanna be part of a project. Those are the people. Kuthiwa lana action breeds experience, which leads to success, you know.